Rajuna Singh. I've been working in Self-Help Group for Cerebral Palsy, SCCP, as a computer teacher. My education, I did a master's in management with finance, major finance. In my jobs, we have a student from the special education school, and I teach them according to their need. First, my priority to work is to make them able to access to computer. That is the first priority, and I also consult with a psychologist to know their cognitive level as well as physiotherapist for the positioning. And when we work together, it's like a teamwork actually. And I have to see their ability, whether they can use the computer with hand, leg, with their foot, their mouth or head. And this all are the assessment. And I have to find the way. I have to find the strength of my students, how they can access in the computer. So like that, I'm teaching them, and some of my students are studying in class 5 also. They can do science and English through the computer. So some of our students can use the internet, email and Facebook. They really enjoy Facebook. And for small kids, they enjoy computer games, and it's really good for eye-hand coordination and concentration. Technology is growing, so we really need a good technology. But some technologies we can download from internet, but we cannot get it because we need a license key, and it's too expensive some are. So like on-screen keyboard, that is really good for our students, and we really need a good joystick really for to use as a mouse. And now we are using one head mouse also, so we have only one. So it's hard to manage one thing for the many children. As our students have special need, whatever they are using in school, it would be much better for them if we could provide it at home as well. So that is really necessary. That's my, as a teacher, I think. I think the biggest challenge, the awareness is very needed for the people overall, and those who have mobility problem, we don't have a proper roads for wheelchairs, and that is also a biggest challenge. So without mobility, no education, no job. People also must aware about what disability is actually. People should not discriminate between normal and disabled children. Even it should not discriminated from family, but we can see even in some family there are so many discrimination between the normal child and the disabled child. For future, I don't know more about Nepal, but as I'm a teacher, computer teacher in this school, I I have hope that this technology would be helpful for our students, especially to get some job or to have some earning. Because some of our students can learn very good, they can use computer with, even with a special device, they are doing so good. If they could get some job from the home, or could get online job, that would be really grateful for them. Want to make them able to do some work in their own to build their confidence level.
Okay.
I want to say thank you very much for this opportunity, that I could share some of my experience and feeling to you, and that is really great opportunity for me. Thank you very much.
Cool. Thank you.